Happy Hump Day. Welcome to Waynesville Garage. We're at the Sawmill today. We're going to be sawing up 2 large maple logs that I brought. They're nice, and one of them was going to be for the wood turning guys to make bowls out of, and the others were probably going to make into 2-inch slabs. Make nice tabletops, nice workbenches, nice cutting boards. So that's what we're working on right now. So hope you enjoy the show. Do me a favor, subscribe, tell your friends, and have a great day. So before we get going too crazy here on the video of us sawing boards, we had to make some cookies. Who knows what a cookie is? So one of the rangers wants to do some artwork with him. I'm not quite sure what she does, but Alan's loving to use this chainsaw. It's a great chainsaw. So we're going to be making lots of cookies for him. Sadly, a few of them broke, but I still think they'll do great for what she's using them for. Oh yeah, and by the way, YouTube hasn't figured out how to make you smell stuff, but who can smell this wood? Who can figure out what this wood is that Alan here is sawing? It's cedar. It's a red cedar. It smells great. Very rot resistant. Oftentimes we use it to make shingles out of it. This time it's going to be used for some artwork. Plus, I don't know how good this piece would have been for shingles anyway. All right, so Doug's our sawyer today. I've got two of these maple logs that we brought, and we're going to cut them a little bit differently than what we normally do. The second one, which is a little bit cockeyed, you can see it's got some bends to it. We're going to cut that and use that for the wood turners that people use lathes to make bowls out of. So all we're going to do is square that guy up, make big cants out of it, then chop them off into 16-foot pieces. And the first piece, we decided this maple is really nice. It's got some nice wormy looks to it. And what we'll do with this maple is we're going to make slabs out of it and live edges out of it. So instead of small 1x6s or stuff like that, we're going to make bigger boards out of this. It actually saws up pretty quickly. Additionally, check out how well this saw is cutting. And remember, last week was the first time running these new bits that I put on it, or actually Chris and I put on it, and it's cutting quite well. I checked them again. They look really good. There's a couple of them that are a little bit damaged, and I'll show you a picture of that, but it certainly is cutting back to normal. So Bruce is here doing some of the offloading today, and just take a look at this board. It's absolutely gorgeous. Apparently, woodworking guys like these things. Okay, so the guys who make bowls and goblets want blocks of wood or chunks of wood. So Alan here is taking the steel, the 462, and he's cutting these into block size so they can make bowls out of them, I guess. Salad bowls, pasta bowls, something like that. And goblets. So I think you turn them on a lathe, spin them around with a knife. There you go. I don't want to do it on my lathe, that's for sure. Well, we definitely have some nice wormy maple boards here, 2 inches thick or so. So they make some nice slabs and some nice live edges, which we don't often do. Sadly, they're going to take 2 years to dry. But maybe we'll be able to kiln and dry them a little bit faster. So thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed the video. Give it a thumbs up, subscribe. Take care and have a great day.